ये मारुति 800 है या लग्जरी बीस्ट? आज जो दिखाने वाला हूं वो किसी ने नहीं देखा।
Check out this aggressive modified grille and the glowing LED daytime running lights. The premium lighting really makes this truck stand out. When it comes to lighting power, nothing beats this setup. The visibility at night is absolutely next level. This bright red Suzuki pickup is an absolute head turner. The glossy paintwork and those spinning alloy wheels really make a statement. Check out this custom LED light bar and those sleek alloy wheels. This SUV is an absolute showstopper here in the showroom.
बैक लुक देख के ही प्रीमियम फील आ रही है। All right, everyone, the exterior is amazing, but you have to see the inside. Come on in, let's check it out.
Look at this clean dashboard design. The materials feel premium, and sitting here, the comfort is just unmatched.
Moving inside, this glowing digital cockpit is a game changer. The UI is super intuitive, and watch how easily I access the features right here.
The integrated controls make everything super accessible. You can switch modes right here and adjust the volume with this dial. It's very intuitive. And in slow motion, you can see just how plush this cushioning is. It just absorbs all the pressure, guaranteeing maximum comfort. Look at this legroom. I am 6 feet tall and I can comfortably sit behind myself with ample knee clearance. But let's talk practicality. This boot space is absolutely massive. Whether it's for your gear or a big shopping trip, you are set. Today, I'm showing you something special. Just wait until you see what's under the hood of this beast. All right, guys, check this out. This Suzuki might look small, but the performance is absolutely unreal. You can feel that power just idling. This custom red pickup is finally here. Let's fire it up and see how it handles out on the road. What I love most about this truck is the balance. You get amazing mileage on the highway, but when you need it, the power is absolutely there. Check out the all-new Suzuki pickup, designed to turn heads with these custom wheels and brilliant LED lighting. Check this out, sudden smooth brake, and we come to a perfectly stable stop. The control on this new model is absolutely fantastic. But what happens when the sun goes down? This is where the red line truly comes alive. This truck isn't just about looks. We've upgraded the suspension and the ride is incredibly smooth. Take a look at this. What really surprised me about this Suzuki is the mileage. I mean, realistically, who expects this kind of fuel economy from a truck? The first step to safety is always the seat belt. You hear that click, and you know you're secure in this Suzuki. Featuring the aggressive new front end, brilliant LED lighting, and custom alloys, this Suzuki pickup is built to perform. This is the all-new Suzuki pickup. But the real magic happens when you step inside and experience the premium ambient lighting. Look at this stance. The rotating golden light hits that LED bar perfectly. These wheels are next level. This truck is everything.
अगर ऐसी 800 मिल जाए तो लोग लग्जरी कार्स भूल जाएंगे।